Yes, yes.
How much money?
I think it's what is it? $750.
$750.
Yeah.
It's very expensive.
Yeah, but it's also very nice. It's also very nice.
Oh, this is monitor on the remote.
Yeah. Let me just put it up again so you can see what it is.
Take off. The low point has been emptied. Please check it out now.
Stable in this wind.
Yes, I see.
Oh,
See ya?
yes.
So if you go up and see the bridge, it's 4K.
4K camera.
Yeah.
How long he will go?
On a good day, 25 minutes on one battery.
25 minutes.
Yeah, and then you buy like a package with 3 batteries, and then you have the option to
Distance?
distance. You're not allowed to fly further than you can see, but it can go like 4 kilometers or something.
4 kilometers.
Yeah. So
That is over the water.
yes, also over the water. Let's see if I have enough battery. So let's just. So it can easily fly out there. So let's see if we can fly it back now. So then it's recording on the SD card, so we have very nice recordings. So now we can see us. We are down here somewhere. There. So we can even do. See, we can do.
Yes.
We can do the spy trick here. So we can zoom.
Zoom. Yo. It's not too loud.
No, it's a very good drone, because there are some legislations that says if you have to fly it in most places, it needs to be below 250 grams. So that's why it's nice. It's so small.
But it's expensive.
Yeah, it is a little bit expensive. But this one, I have this for review. So I got it from the manufacturer. So I need to make some videos around it, and yeah. But I need to deliver it back, unfortunately. So. But it's very easy to fly. You can see, you can just leave the sticks here. Just leave it. Then you don't need to do anything. There's GPS on board. There's a lot of stuff that helps it be very easy to navigate. It also has sensors, so in case that you can see it has sensors in the front.
Yes.
So these sensors, if you fly into a building or something towards a building, then it will detect it, and then then it will stop. So it's
Stop and go around.
can also do that. Yeah, it has like a special mode that it can allow it to go around. But you need to not mess around with that, because it's not perfect. It can fail, and then you lose your drone. So, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're more than welcome. Take care.